What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Aggressive.
Help. What?
I got it.
Help. Okay. Give me directions so you don't win.
A lot.
Alright. Mentally or physically?
Yes.
Hopefully physically.
Oh.
Should I put my seatbelt on? Yeah, you're driving.
Oh my god. So dramatic. This guy. I didn't see around the trash can.
Well, who put it there?
You.
There's a bug chilling on your windshield. He's just literally pointing that way and looking.
He's hanging on for dear life. He's
Go
like, this
for a
thing
ride.
is cool. Let's go for a ride.
Uh-oh.
What? Bless you.
Excuse me.
God bless you.
Ain't it? Where's my purse? What am I looking for?
Purple bottle.
Purple bottle.
Purple bottle.
It's my favorite color. Purple bottle cap.
Well, same thing. God bless you.
Oh my gosh. I just got out of the house.
Don't do it again.
Do I take 4?
What? Ew, why am I going so slow? That hit 8.5 real quick.
So 9.
Oh,
So we're just doing Sunday vlogs from now on?
yes.
Okay.
Everyone liked the first one, so here's another.
Welcome to Rowdy and Boasted Hayes Sunday vlog. Join us while we do absolutely nothing but get coffee.
When that comes on, can you check codes?
Check what?
Check codes.
Pop an entry code?
Yeah.
What for?
Such an annoying spot because my RPM little thing covers up the engine, the check engine light. It feels fine. Evap.
Evap. Typical. Can we go to
Wow.
Nalt's and look at that white SP that they have?
Are they open today?
Nalt's should be.
Okay. Oh, that's the police. I'm behaving, sir, I swear. Eat. Thank you. Here's your card. Thank you. For the back pain.
Just because I like my heels, you know, I'll put mine on.
Which one did you drink out of?
The back one. Driver always has the front one.
I like the back one because I have short arms.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Do you want to trade?
No, it's fine. I'm okay. It's okay. It's okay. 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 Blue.
What? What?
Guess what they called my car?
What? What, they say Blue Fusion?
No.
What?
Blue Bronco.
What? No, like,
Literally blue Bronco? Question mark? What?
what the
Oh my god. How do you not know your cars that bad?
A Bronco?
I don't even have like a Mustang, like the horse emblem on my car to
But,
confuse
it's
it.
a Bronco. It's an SUV.
Yeah.
Blue Bronco.
Bronco.
I'm gonna make fun of that for the rest of your life.
Yep.
Oh, hi.
Are you looking at my titties?
Nope. Save that.
Save that. I don't even know if it'll focus. There it is.
Blue Bronco.
Keep that in the center console. So anybody asks what my car is, it's a Bronco.
Your car is currently making 2 PSI. Fun fact.
Oh wow, it's off. It's not being weird about the fuel pump now.
Unheard of.
Relax. She said, I'm hungry too. Let me eat a Camaro.
Let me get one of them there flop gens.
She said, let me get a McLaren.
Left. It's actually Nult's is on this road.
Oh, handy.
We don't have to go look at it though. I feel like I want to, but I don't until I can just grab one.
Whatever you want to do. I don't care. We're out. If you want to go look at it, we can go look at it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Graham's S197.
What?
That's what the plate said on that.
Graham's
Mustang.
S197?
Yeah.
But she knows what an S197 is.
Right?
My kind of gal. What's up, Grandma?
Who's beeping? All right, move your issues off the road.
So aggressive.
I just hate bicyclists. They take up so much road for no reason.
I still can't get over the cops last night.
They were so cool.
We showed up to kick out the riffraff, but you guys are not riffraff. You're cool.
Yeah, they're like, we literally just had to show up.
You guys can stay as long as you'd like. You guys got cool and nice. That's fine.
Yeah.
We're only here to get rid of the riffraff and the cars.
You're not causing ruckus.
Yeah. All right, bro.
Just don't go to Hobby Lobby.
Gotta go. Robbery at Thirsty Moose.
Yeah.
Your throat itches?
Yeah.
I'll scratch it.
With what? With what? Why you stopped? Light's
Light's
green.
Perfect.
I didn't scrape. I'm not gonna drive over the hose.
Yeah, just park right here in the shade anyways.
Can't wait to have a shorter hood.
Anybody want a 4-inch cowl hood? Hit us up.
Yeah, no, I get that really like heavy duty shit. So it's like that 40.